Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you cardigans designs and most attractive and elegant designs, and so I will keep sharing similar design with my dear fans daily inshallah. Be sure that you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern, you get many ideas from this video and share it with your friends and family members. These are stunning designs for more attractive, elegant designs, so I will keep sharing similar design with my dear friends daily inshallah. Be sure that you like our videos. If you want any videos related to any pattern, may Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your home inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amin. So friends, this video is so stunning.